Hello everyone! Kumusta? Kumusta? How are you? Welcome back to my home cooking Almita's Kitchen channel. Today, I'm actually gonna show you a very simple, very easy side dish. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we'll put cooking oil here, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, and then we have a lot of garlic here. This is a whole garlic, like I don't know, maybe 10 cloves maybe, but if you like garlic, can add more garlic, but if you are not into garlic that much, you can control it. Just put a little bit. Right, so after that, sauteing the garlic for a minute, you add your green beans, whole green beans, guys, and stir them with your garlic. Okay. You cover it. We don't have to season it because we have our seasoning here mixed already. So you just want to cover it and then let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then we start adding our seasoning. Okay? Alright, so let's check our green beans. Whoa! So that's the oil. So yeah, it gets dry on the bottom, but that's okay. If you wanna basically roast the garlic. You see, the garlic is turning brown. We can add our seasoning. Okay, so you add it. Woohoo! Oh, smelling good. Smelling good. And then adjust your heat. Medium high, because you want to slow cook these green beans. So, oh my goodness. It smells really good. It smells really good. I wish you can smell it, guys. Okay, so just like that, and we cover it back and let it cook. Okay. All right. I think it's about what, 3-5 minutes. Let's check. It's coming along. Okay, more black pepper, and also I'm going to try how ready the green beans is. Okay, almost, but not quite. So this time we can add our onion, yellow onion. This is whole onion, guys. Add it and then mix it, and then now we will cover it back. Maybe another 3 or 5 minutes, I should say. All right, let's see. Oh, smells so good. It smells really good. This looks done. This looks done to me. Let's try the green beans, okay? Oh, perfect. See, this is what the consistency you want. Crunchy, and at the same time, it's soft enough to bite. Okay, good. We can add a little more of ground black pepper, and also this is optional. This is toasted sesame seeds. So you can just add a little bit of this, just like that. Look at that. There you have it. So see how easy and fast it is to make. So try it, guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure you share and try it and then make it your own. This is really a delicious green beans recipe. Okay, and I'm gonna see you next time. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.